Okay, so today we will demonstrate how we are counting seed very quickly using open source software and a few little uh, stand or intervention or a frame to take the picture. So here I just take the envelope from the back, open it, and then spread the seed on the sheet. And the only thing is the seeds should not make a clump, otherwise if seeds are together it may count them as one. So quickly just separate the seed if they are touching each other. Few grains are like this, and I think that's it. Now go to the computer. This camera it's connected to the computer through this USB cable, and now I can operate camera with the computer. I have set it at a manual focus so that it will don't drain too much battery and don't disturb too much. Just click here. Now you heard the sound. The image is automatically transferred to the computer. I link the folder, the image is saved. And what I do, the sample number, the plot ID, I just name this like 87 LTP, copy it, and then first step is to rename the file so that we can always track it back and enter it again. Now file is opened in open source ImageJ program, and follow very simple steps. For example, go to image, type, convert it to the 8-bit, and then process, make it binary, and then select the area of interest. Okay, for example, this grain is left anywhere, and now simply we use this command analyze particle, and we have set the parameter 200. This is the minimum pixels up to infinity, whatever the grain number size could be, and okay. So here we get the result 275, the sample, the plot ID, and the count, total number of grains. Now we just enter this value corresponding to the plot ID 275, and at the same time we can enter the area also, total grain area 173,649. And now I collect the seed from here, the envelope, put on the balance, tear it, collect the grain, put them back into the envelope. Now it's 9.5 gram. That's it. Now we get 1000 grain weight, number of grain, the area, the weight. That's all. Thank you.